Depression. So many people suffer with depression, but not everybody's depression is the same. Every single person who suffers from depression suffers from a different version of depression. Some people may feel like there's this impending doom, and that's what they're depressed about, and they can't put their finger on why or how, and another person might feel a feeling that's not even describable. It can't be described. They wake up and they feel lifeless. They feel like they can't move on. They feel like they can't move forward with an hour-to-hour basis where each minute is torturous just to live inside their body, to be who they are, they feel. And there's people that get depressed or they get depression, but it eases up and it's not so bad one day and it's not so bad another day, and then this week is pretty good and then one day it's really bad, and it's kind of intermittent where it's happening on and off, where it's once in a while or for a stint of time and then a short stint of time and then it's not there anymore. So a lot of people, they're dealing with different versions.
Природник е официален дистрибутор на Vimergy за България, Гърция и Румъния. Всички препоръчани от Антони Уилям хранителни добавки на Vimergy можете да откриете на природник.com. Природник е носител на наградата Дистрибутор на годината от Международната конференция на Vimergy 2025.